Finally, I can show the Z in my vlogs now, bro. Finally, now that you guys have seen the reveal, seen the color, seen what color it is. I've been trying to hide it in all my vlogs. You guys actually are very smart. You guys have been pausing it at a millisecond whenever the Z comes out in the background, bro. You guys are smart. Or even in Hugo's videos, like it would pop out for 1 second and you guys would notice it. But now I don't need to hide it anymore. If you guys have not seen the reveal video, go watch it right now. It's on the last video I posted. What's up, guys? They're watching another video. Holy crap, it's bright today. Shout out to everyone for the love and support on the Z color reveal. I appreciate all the love, I appreciate all the support, and I appreciate all the love on the new merch drop too. We did a merch drop with the 350Z. I'll throw it on the screen right here. We got 2 t-shirts and 1 hoodie, and we still got a few things left. So if you guys want to cop something, go down below. It's the first link in the description. Shop.FindingNick.com. Go grab a t-shirt, go grab a hoodie. It's already hoodie season, so it's about to get cold. Honestly, my favorite though is the white t-shirt. The white t-shirt looks so sick with the red. I think it looks crazy. But go cop the merch right now. I'm excited to see all you guys rocking it at car meets, especially when we take this car out. It's gonna be sick. The Z came out really sick, guys. Shout out to all the love and support on the last video. I think it's coming along. It looks completely different than when we first got it, if you guys remember. And it just looks sick. I cannot wait. Anyways, enough talking about the Z. We're gonna take this thing out soon. We got a few things I gotta do. I gotta fix the exhaust leak first and foremost. And actually, first and foremost, we gotta fix the starter so we can actually start moving this car and driving it places and actually be my daily. Today, we're jumping in the GTR, so let's go. Today, I don't know what we're doing actually, but we're gonna find out very soon. Hopefully I don't run my camera over, but the shot was cool last night. That's always so scary to do. Anyways, we're jumping into the GTR today. So guys, I literally have no plans today. Not a single plan. We don't know what we're doing. The homie Austin hit me up. Austin is the owner of Valvetronic exhaust. The exhaust system that we have on the GTR actually. And I had on my 892 M3. But he's out here visiting, and if you guys do not know, he's not only the owner of Valvetronic, but he's also one of the craziest drivers I've ever met. So he rented a Corvette for the weekend. Might be a boring vlog, might be a fun vlog. I don't know, but I appreciate you guys for still watching. And if you guys do enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. And let's get into the video. By the way, look at it. I'm bleeding, bro. We made it. Dude, the Lambo plates on the Vette. There's no way. He's so mad at me because I'm so late.
I say, what do I say? I called you an hour and a half ago, and I say,
I know, I'm sorry.
What time am I gonna see you? I see you in 30 minutes. What time is it? It's an hour and a half later.
Austin, how are you? Is it a Lambo or a Vette?
What?
Is it a Lambo or a Vette?
Lamborghini.
Lamborghini? Bro, this shit's crazy.
This is a nice car, you know? It's manual too.
I know, it's just sick. I saw you drifting it on Instagram.
Yeah. I was very proud of that video.
That video was sick. Yeah. That video was sick.
But I kept spinning here, but we can show you and the
That's like crazy.
Listen. Fuck!
That's so funny. But he was really swinging this thing. Maybe we'll see something today. Maybe. I don't know.
I have to put new tires.
Look at Austin. Look who showed up, I know. The homie Kevin. We're in his hood. Damn! What was that, turtleneck?
You know, something classy.
How much is this one?
I didn't check.
How much are these?
Bro, I think they were like 400.
Okay, we still have no plans.
I'm going home after this.
Bro, it's already like what, 6 p.m. and I still don't have plans today.
Later.
And we're up? You got your shout out and now you're
Yeah, let's go.
You got your tag right here?
Yeah, I like with KG. Subscribe.
Get in the M4 and drift it.
Well, can I drift it today?
No.
Let me try. Let me do one donut, bro. Would you let me? Why not? We'll go somewhere open, bro.
Nope. Tires aren't good, bro. The car's dirty. I need essentials to come through. Hey! I will Friday.
Guys, like, he got spinners on this shit. Damn, the spinners, bro. Isn't it so funny how Kevin has basic M4 as the plate when it's not a basic M4, bro? This is a GTS. If you guys are not familiar with GTSs, they're like over $100,000, bro. It's not a basic M4. It's the most expensive M4 you can buy. Comes with the wing, the cage. Comes all like this, bro. Fire extinguisher. It literally comes like that, bro. It's crazy. I think the hood's carbon fiber. The doors, I think, are carbon fiber. It's pretty crazy, bro. Austin's done, though. Austin got tires on the vent. Austin from Boston. This is how you're breaking your tires, guys. Bro,
I'm going home. This is too much.
Alright, we're going. Let's go. What?
How'd you open the door?
Eris hates my cars. Bro,
I hate those shit, bro.
it's a piece of crap. He wants me to get another BMW, guys. He hates the Nissan. Here, David, take this. Just vlog.
Easy vlogging right now. We're gonna go in Eris' M4. I'm sure you guys seen this car on the channel before. Oh shit. Taking over FindingNick vlog. Yeah. Back warmers. This car sounds pretty fast. See how it goes. Kind of scared.
Port injection too, but after I did the build motor, we didn't install it yet. Port injection coming in next week.
God damn, you see fucking this. This shit feels bomb.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this shit's clutch. Yeah, that shit's on me now. That shit does move. Race Nick, you should race Nick.
Yeah, this has a whole concert up in here, bro. It's a whole Bad Bunny concert. There's no way.
I want to see this guy with me.
What's up, guys? You watching another video. We just made to LA and there's hella cars out here. A bunch of BMWs. This is a sick ass G80, look, M4. I've never seen this color before, but it's pretty sick. Pink and has like a purple pearl in it. Damn, that's a red interior too. Anyways, we just made it out here. There's a bunch of cars meeting up tonight. I don't know what we're about to get into, but a bunch of BMWs, like a lot. And you guys all know this, and you guys all know this guy already with an M4. And you guys know he drives crazy, bro. He was in one of my last videos. We got an M2. Bro, all BMWs. Oh, and there's a cop. Hopefully they don't get mad already, but.
La policía.
¿Qué lo que?
Mamá huevo.
Bro, it is cold today, dude.
Look
Look what I brought. Guys, look what I brought too, by the way. Look what we're driving today. We're driving the F80, bro. Because I wanted to come and be a part of the BMW squad.
Fuck, and I didn't bring mine.
No way, where's your car?
I didn't roll with theirs.
No way you didn't bring your car, bro. That's why I brought it. So we can cruise in the F80s. Look at Eris. Oh, damn, that shit is loud, bro, for an SUV. Yeah. Guys, look at this badass truck. I want a pre-runner. Damn, this shit is really raced out. Oh my god, look at that, bro. This shit is sick. It's crazy to see this thing here with all these like modified cars. Like, what the heck? It's full on like off-road. Everything, bro. This shit's ready to go to the desert. It doesn't even have headlights, bro. Look at this. There's two G80s here. One M3 and one M4. So nice. Oh my, it's stick shift, bro.
Yeah, this is the dream.
Damn. Got the carbon fiber steering wheel. This thing is clean. Look at the wheels. They're kind of like a bronze color. It's kind of sick. M4. And he got the beige interior. Stick shift too. Clean. And a Shelby, guys. GT350. And then Hugo's car. What? What?
This shit got me tweaking. Yeah.
Well, I'm too cold to drink it.
Just chuck it.
Oh shit, guys, look at this thing. This thing is crazy. This is so loud. Must be nice, huh? Isn't that shit like 400K or 500K? How much is that?
Oh, like 300K. It's not bad.
Nah, bro, I'm pretty sure it's like. But there are so many cars out here and so many like different YouTubers. Like,
I can't believe it.
Bro, you're the biggest one.
This is the biggest YouTuber right here, though.
Right here.
Hey,
Bro,
no
I need an
pictures, no
autograph. I need an autograph. I need an autograph.
Oh no, brother! Look at the cops. Are they gonna come? Guys, this color is sick. I think this is a new Innositech color, and it's like a blue with like a gold flake in it. It's pretty crazy. Wow, that shit is nice. It's a Innositech too, so it looks almost like paint. It's crazy. Guys, look how sick this truck sounds, bro. Cammed LS in it, I think. God damn, bro. This is gonna be crazy, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try to film the best I could, but dude, this truck is crazy. Look at Kevin. Bro, this truck is so crazy, bro. Look at this, like, squat, man. Alright, guys, we made it to the first spot. Oh my god. That truck is fucking crazy, bro. I want a pre-order now, guys. This might have to be the next build. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. You see what I mean? You literally can go over anything. This dude just went on the sidewalk, bro. LA, bro. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, bro. Please tell me the GT3 is not gonna go. Oh my god, he's about to whip this shit. That's the car, bro.
Crazy, bro.
When it hits red line?
Yes, that shit sounds crazy.
I'm about to do it next to David's car watch. Today pretty much consists of Ari and the homie in the truck making all this crazy content. They're about to do this whole corner, I think. That is a badass truck, bro. That is insane. What am I filming? This is so crazy. Look, hella sick ass cars too. All BMWs. Oh, he's probably having so much fun too. Like that shit looks so fun. Bro, he does not care. He doesn't care, bro. Bro, if I had a truck like that, I'd probably be driving it the exact same way, bro. Literally, that truck is made for the desert, and he's over here driving it.
You can do it in the GTR though, no?
In the GTS?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Austin with the top down. Oh my, third gear, fourth gear. You guys want me to record my daily life? Oh look, we got a gas tank and we got a stranded F80, bro. No way this dude David ran out of gas. Bro, this fool ran out of gas in the F80, bro, so I had to come to the rescue. This is my daily life, guys. For those of you that want to see what Nick does on a daily. How'd you make it in here? Shit looks good. Huh? I don't know. No way you ran out of gas, bro.
Did it reach? Check it. Is it leaking?
There's no way we're out here on the side of the road. I know how stupid we look. We were driving by.
In an F80. Dude can afford gas.
Dude really ran out of gas.
Where would it start?
I don't know, bro. Hopefully it's just gas. What if your engine's done?
It's just tripping.
Who drove it last?
Yeah.
Me? He's so happy. It started. It's good? It's back? That car is so sick, bro. Don't forget to put gas in your cars, kids. That would happen to David, bro. There's no way.
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.